what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, and you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon, I can go to space. If the air like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm clap along if you know happiness is the truth. You know what? Probably should get you one.
Hey, Papa!
Thank you. For Sally, not you.
I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine.
Hold it down so I can see your face.
Don't waste your time. It's worth.
How do you know Gus?
Gus is my father-in-law. I've known Gus almost 50 years.
What do you know him as?
I know that he's a nice guy. I know that he's funny.
And that he has the best daughter in the whole world. Isn't that great?
Yeah,
and her
Amy's
name-
really
I was
nice.
going to say, her name is Amy. You took the joke away from me.
What is your favorite memory about Papa?
I have so many that it's hard to pick my very favorite one. But I liked it when he used to let me work him on the car in the garage. We had a great time. I was
Because I'm clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm clap along if you feel.
How do you know Gus?
Gus is our grandpa.
Like what's his personality to you guys?
Tough question. Fun loving.
favorite daughter.
Oh yeah, Amy's really nice. Stop telling me about her.
Okay, sorry, I just.
My favorite sister.
He's funny and likes to go on adventures.
Up for a party and a good time.
Likes his beer.
Very, but at the same time, very industrious.
Yeah,
Very,
What is your favorite memory of Papa?
Of Papa? So when I was really little and Grandpa used to babysit for me, I wanted to stay up really late because my parents wouldn't let me stay up late, but Grandpa would. We would be playing. Grandpa would fall asleep in the middle of us playing, and I'd be like, Grandpa, where did you? And he'd be like, yeah, we're still playing. And he would stay up really late with me. That was my favorite memory of Grandpa.
What do you like about Papa?
Because he has that church shirt on.
Bring me down, care nothing. Bring me down, my love is too hot.
How do you feel?
But
Good question.
2500.
Okay. Did you think you would be at, do you think you would get all the way to 90?
No, I never did. I never thought I'd have a chance. But see, that was my goal because my granddad got to be 89.
Oh wow.
I had to get the family record. I had to get to 90.
So you won?
Yeah, I won.
Good job.
Bring me down, care nothing. Bring me down, my love is too hot. Bring me down.
What's your favorite story about Gus?
I think the most fun I ever had with Gus was when he joined my carnivore club, which is a men's only red meat eating club. And in his 80s, he consumed pretty close to 30 ounces of prime red meat with me. He wasn't sure he could hang in there and eat the whole thing, but he did, and I was so proud of him.
Favorite favorite story with Gus?
Well, my favorite story with Gus was when he and his good friend Roger took us to a bar near St. Louis and said it was a very nice place, and he was mistaken.
How mistaken?
Very, very mistaken.
What happened?
A good time was had by all. It's a long story, and how old are you?
11.
You're about 20 years too young to hear the story.
Do you have any other more appropriate stories?
More appropriate stories? Yes. One of the first times I ever met him, I was watching Stu play softball, and Stu did not catch a fly ball before it went over the fence, and it broke out the windshield of my car. And your grandfather laughed so hard, he was inconsolable. It was very, very funny for him, not so much for me.
What is your favorite memory of Papa?
Oh gosh, just that he was always laughing and telling a story or a funny joke all the time. Just wonderful, wonderful memories of Mr. Errion and Gus, and always a beer in his hand and always having a good time.
What do you like about Gus?
Everything. He is the absolute best. I don't know what I would be or where I would be without him. Grandpa, I love you to death. I would not be the man I am without you.
What's your favorite part about Papa?
About what?
Papa.
His sense of humor and how he gets along with everybody.
Is great grandpa funny and silly?
What's your favorite part about him?
He's our grandpa. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Everybody's singing with us singing.
There you go.
You too. Here, my papa. There we go. Stay here.
There you go.
There we go.
Our birdie.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mom. Happy birthday. Make a wish. Make a wish.
Light your candles.
Make a big wish. Big wish.
Go for 100.
He's going for 100. That's his next goal. Now you got to blow out the candles.
He's still thinking.
Oh, you're still thinking. Okay, should go back.
Help him.
Good picture.
Happy birthday, Grandpa.
Happy birthday. I love you, Daddy.
Happy birthday, Gus. Happy birthday, Gus.
Hi, happy birthday, Dad, from your favorite daughter. My name is Susan, in case there's any confusion.
Happy birthday, Papa.
Happy birthday, Papa.
Happy birthday, Papa.
Say happy birthday, Papa.
Happy birthday, Papa.
Happy birthday, Gus. Grandpa.
Happy birthday, Gus.
Happy birthday, Gus.
Happy birthday, Papa.
Happy birthday, my dear husband.
Happy birthday, Gus. I love you.
Happy birthday, Gus.
Happy birthday, Gus.
And happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.